Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Warmbox and Warmy. So to get started with the quick comparison in-depth review, so Warmbox and Warmy are both leading tools in email warm-up and deliverability space, but they serve slightly different users type. For example, Warmbox is a plug and play warm tools designed for agencies and growth accounts who need fast, scalable inbox reputation improvement and cross multiple domains. It's just a decentralized network of inbox to stimulate real human interaction. While Warmy, on the other hand, is more AI-powered automation focused, appealing to both beginners and pros who want an intuitive dashboard, domain health report, and deliverability monitoring without manual effort. It's especially popular among solopreneur funders and marketer or marketing teams. So talking about what these two platforms are best for. So Onebox is best for power user agencies and deliverability consultants, while Warmy is best for solopreneur, cold email beginners, and small team. And talking about the pricing plan, they have a different type of pricing plan. For example, now Warmbox has a starting price of $15 per inbox, and also has a free trial of 7 days together with the limited features. And talking about the Warmy, it has a start price of $49 per month and also a free trial available for limited features. And here's the overall conclusion. If you are a cold outreach agency, an email deliverability expert, or power user managing multiple domains, or a client, its low cost per inbox and scalability make it perfect for professionals who knows or who want what they are doing to be a top notch. And on the other side, if you are looking for all-in-one warm up and deliverability health monitor with an AI powered interface and a simplified automation, it's best for solo operations or operators, funders, and small teams wanting to prospect their domain's reputation with a minimal setup. So let me know what your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.